Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. I'm going to be trying to recreate a video that Iluvsarahii did. It's like a green emerald gold. She called it an emerald and gold holiday makeup look. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I fell in love with it when I was watching it yesterday, so I want to try and recreate. I don't have the palette that she used. She used that bougie Natasha Denona palette, so I'm just gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. It has beautiful colors. I got this when it came out a couple years ago, so I'm going to be using this color here and might mix this color here, and then like she used like a transition shade, so I'm gonna use these colors here. So yeah guys, that's what I'm gonna do today. As always guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell if you guys want to know when I upload a video and like my videos. And without further ado, I'll just jump right in. And I'm going to be attempting to do that eye look from Iluvsarahii. If you guys don't follow her, please do. She does amazing work, and I will link her YouTube page below. So as I was watching the video, as I've mentioned in the past, I don't use like an eyeshadow base on my eyes, but to get the closest look like she did, I'm going to use an eyeshadow base. So I'm just gonna go in with my MAC soft ochre pro longwear paint pot and put it all over my lid. So as always, I've already carved my eyebrows. I've done my eyebrows off camera, so I will just go in and do my lid. I did fall in love with this look because, you know, the weather, and you know, I feel like it's a good look for like Thanksgiving. That's tomorrow. So I'm thinking of doing this look for tomorrow, but I wanted to film it with you guys. And you know, she takes a while to get ready, and I don't want to run the risk of me not finishing it on time. So I'm just going to film it for you guys today, and depending on how it turns out, she'll try it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just blending in the concealer that I used for my lid, and then I'll go in with a little bit of powder to set it. The base that she used was the P. Louise. I've heard good things about that, but she doesn't have that. So she's just gonna use what she got. So to set that, I'm just gonna go use my Shade and Light palette and just go in with that middle shade. You know, nothing. I'm gonna take it up to my eyebrows because I have not set that area as of yet. Alright guys, so I had to go off camera and wipe this eye because she was doing it totally wrong. So she didn't go in. So let's start over. So I'm just gonna leave this eye as is. So I did go to her video and did watch it because she was making an ass of herself. So she didn't go in with like a light like I did with this color. It was more of a in between of this color. So I'm just gonna use that color. And she did like a line, and this is not the brush. Let me go in with this one instead. She basically, you know, did like a, yeah, like this. And then she went in with like a fluffier brush. And then she just blended everything. I'm gonna say that the dark was, you know what, let me go in with shade looks a little bit darker than the one that I'm applying, so I'm gonna go in with this one here. Looks a little bit darker. Yeah, that looks better. And I'm just gonna go in with this and blend. She makes it look so easy. So I'm just gonna do the same thing because obviously this eye has the other colors that I attempted to use. So I'm just gonna go in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that green, dark green. I'm just gonna put it in the corner here. And in a corner. And I'm just gonna build this color up. I'm just gonna go with a semi-clean brush and just blend the edges so they're not so rough. So I'm just gonna go back with that same shade and just keep building it up. So this is what she has so far. She made it look so easy. Like, again, she's a great makeup artist. So you guys should definitely check her out. So I'm gonna be right back and go do my other eye. All right, guys. So I just finished the other eye. Don't mind the mess. I'm gonna clean that up afterwards. So now I'm gonna go in. She went in with like a little glittery shade that was in that palette, but again, since I don't have it, I think, so I'm gonna go in with this color here. Then I'm gonna throw in this shade here. So I'm gonna cut the crease a little bit in the middle there where I left the white. So I'm gonna cut the crease and put in those two colors. I'm gonna put the green color first down and then the goldish color. I've had this palette for a while now and it's still performing. This palette was good. I mean, I didn't get her the new, like the 4 mini ones that she came out with. There was a lot of controversy with those, so I did not pick any of those up. Because as I mentioned, I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes already that I don't feel like I need to spend money on it. If I'm being real. So this one, I have so many. And they're all affordable. So I'm gonna go back in with that dark green and just blend. It's not gonna look identical as hers because obviously she's not claiming to be a makeup artist. And obviously I'm not using the same palette as she did. But you know, this is just the way that if it makes sense, the way that I'm recreating it, if it makes any sense. If it doesn't, don't mind. So yeah, this is the green down. So now I'm gonna go in with the golden shade that I pointed out. So that I just cleaned out the green a little bit because she did put like a golden shade, and then she went in with like those heavy metal types. I can't remember which one she went in with, but I don't have any of those, so I'm just gonna go in with this shade. So I'm just gonna apply it. Oh, pretty. Guys, what are we thinking? I'm liking it. I feel like this is a cute look for like a Thanksgiving or a night out. Like for the holidays, I feel like it's a cute look. And doesn't it go well with my shirt? This is not what I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow, by the way, but I just threw this on. But what are we thinking, guys? I'm digging it. She's digging it. I like it a lot. I haven't used this palette in a while. It has so many colors, like you can do so many different looks with it. I love it. That's the only reason why I went out and got it when it came out, because it had so many colors, and there's so many looks that you can do. But yeah, guys, this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and I'll see you in just a second. Hey guys, she's back. So this is what I came up with my final look. As always, for my base, you know, I used my Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. I used my face mist from Pearl Essence. For my primer, I used my Tatcha, you know, my Ride or Die, and I also went with my Smashbox primer water. For the foundation, I did go in with Makeup Revolution that I did the wear test on and reviewed on my last video. I'm obsessed with this at the moment. This is what I've been using since last week. I did go in with the concealer as well. To set everything, I went in with my RCMA No Color translucent powder. And for my bronzer contour, I went in with my butter bronzer from Physician Formula. For my blush, I went in with my Note blush. What else? Highlight, as always, I went in with my Jeffree Star. You know, I can't get away from this. It's my baby. And then in my under eye, I just finished it off with the same colors that I used on top, the brown color. I did go in with the green color. I didn't go in with the goldish color, just with the dark green. The lip color, I did go in with the ColourPop Luxe lipsticks in cinnamon. This is the ones that I reviewed in collab with Caboche. And I did put this liner mannequin from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. You can't really tell. I just did it more to outline and then go in with my lipstick so it would be easier to put on. Earrings, guys, if you're interested, I did get these from Forever 21. My top is, I believe, from H&M. I got it last year, so I'm not sure if it's still available. So I don't know. But the lashes that I went in with, I did go in with my Cake Beauty lashes. They were in collab with Kim Thai. Like, these lashes, so bomb. And with this look, I feel like this is like an over, obviously my hair, I would do it differently, but yeah, it goes so well with the eye look. But yeah, guys, this is what she looks like. What are we thinking? Like, I feel like I'm gonna do this tomorrow for Thanksgiving. What do you guys think? How does she do? I know it's, again, nothing like Iluvsarahii's tutorial, but she did what she could. So this is what she came up with, and I like it, guys. She did okay. She did okay. She did okay. But yeah, guys, this is the look. She got interrupted. As always, guys, thanks for taking the time and sitting down with me and watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you guys want to know whenever I post a video or upload a video. Also, don't forget to like my videos. Her birthday's coming up, so she'll be grateful if she can get up to at least 35 subscribers. I'm at like 27 right now, so you know, if you guys can make your girl up there, I greatly appreciate it. Again, I hope you enjoyed it, and bye, guys.